Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime.
So babies, I did not have footage of when they were plaiting my hair because my little brother did not record. He fell asleep. He didn't sleep, he was watching Phantom stream on Twitch. And me, I'm sitting there happy, thinking what I have enough content. He was sleeping. The whole time they did my hair, he was sleeping. And I was so bored. And I'm still bored. But anyway, I will make sure I record myself next time. I promise. So babes, here we are going back home and my head was tight, was painful. I had a headache, I was hungry, I was stressed that I didn't have content, a lot was happening. And it is still painful, especially at the back. And I plaited my hair on Sunday and it is Friday. Yeah. So babes, this the style, the final yonkinto, the pain guys, you know, the pain, but I love it. Simple, quick and beautiful. So babies, that is that for today's video. This is me now while I'm editing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked and I hope you subscribed and I hope you commented. Okay, comment. So this is the hairstyle, loves. My hair is still a little bit painful. I don't want to show you like the whole hairstyle because I want to add those, what do they call them? What do they call those things, Gunj? I forgot. I will show you guys next time, but I want to add them to my hair and then I will show you, loves, everything when I'm done adding those things at the end. Right here. I forgot them, man-ish. So yeah. And I'm going to go live maybe between Sunday and Monday because tomorrow we are going to the mall and yeah, I'm vlogging that part. Hygiene shopping. So yeah, I hope you're ready for tomorrow. It's been a while. Oh my god. And I feel like this video will be dedicated to hygiene shopping. I might record at ShopRite, but ShopRite is always busy. Like, it's always busy. You cannot do like everything freely. Giddy, trolley, you got a whole busy. It is always packed. Like the last time I went there and I was able to film is because there were supervisors there. They were checking everything out, how they are working and everything, and you know they only work good on those days, but the rest of the days they only have 2 or 3 tills, only 3 cashiers. So I don't know, I don't really love vlogging there. I really try to, but I'm not a fan. So yeah, we'll see where we are going tomorrow and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we are hygiene shopping. So yeah, we are done today. I was editing and yeah, we are done for today. And I know I'm always a day late. Please bear with me. Do you remember that video of resetting, deep cleaning my room? Yeah, it set me back, but I had to do that video. I had to clean my room because it's my room and it's the guest room at the same time. So every time when someone comes in, they leave. It's not always clean, you know. So I try to keep it clean after everything. So I did that, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just quick. I wasn't talking that much, and now I'm talking too much at the end. It's because I enjoy watching, like I enjoy talking on camera like this. So yeah, that is the reason why. I will see you guys tomorrow. It just clicked that tomorrow we are doing hygiene shopping. I love that video. I love recording hygiene shopping. I love the excitement. I'm excited. So yeah, I'm excited. And today I'm not feeling that good. My period came a day early. It was supposed to come today. It came yesterday. And I have acid reflux. Ooh, it is not okay, okay? It is. I'm not feeling okay. I don't know. And right now, I'm gonna add this part to the end, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Literally, I've been saying that a lot of times. Then I'm gonna use these, but I won't use them on camera. I forgot already. I have to use this. I forgot. Literally, I forgot. So yeah, I love you all. And we have new subscribers. You see, we are at 292. We are at 292. When I saw, I was like, will we be able to reach 300 before the new year? It's like, just go with the flow. Don't, because what if you become disappointed? Just go with the flow. If you have reached 300 subscribers. But oh my god, hello, hi new babies. Oh my god, I forgot. I'm busy saying bye 1,000 times, and I forgot to welcome the new babies. So thank you for subscribing, and you are welcome with open hearts. Ooh, I'm happy. 292. And I kept refreshing. I'm like, it's gonna go down because YouTube, you'll get a subscriber and then the subscriber decides otherwise. But yeah, they stayed. So we are at 292. Thank you for subscribing. That's what I'm gonna say. And excuse the lighting, okay? I don't have a plug in my room to connect all of my lights. Hopefully we can get that fixed soon, but yeah, something that we are gonna work with like this. That's why I prefer to record early in the morning, because there's enough light. Yeah. So welcome, love. So welcome. Comment. Welcome. I'm giving you hugs. We are all giving you hugs. So yeah. Okay. Now it's bye for real. It is bye for real. If I forgot something, I will include it in the next video. I will comment down below too and print the comments. So I hope you have a good night, a blessed day, and sweet dreams. Bye.